This is a bit more challenging today. Build an area model for this problem, an area of 42 and a height of 3. Think about how you can be efficient with your base 10 blocks and what you might do with this tricky problem. Pause the video and give it a go. Okay, you may have started with 42. That's very efficient use of our tools. And as you started to build, you may have noticed that, I needed it to be 3 tall, but I couldn't really make a rectangle with these. How do I do that? Is there a way we could trade a 10 to make it so we could break it apart in smaller pieces? Well, I will trade this 10 for 10 ones. I still have 10, 20, 30, 42, but I can move them a little bit more to make a rectangle. So I have my 3 high, that's 30, but then I have 10 and 2 is 42 altogether. Let's see if now I can actually build a rectangle to match and if I have any missing pieces. It worked. So let's look. There is still 42 because this is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. It is 3 high. How long is it? Well, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 long. What equations match this area model? Well, I know 3 times 14 is 42. And I can remember that sometimes this problem looks like this, and the quotient or answer goes on the top. So I can use that the same way. 42 divided by 3 is 14. And that matches my area model. Let's do one more tricky one. Build an area model with an area of 60, 4 high, and figure out the missing length. Hint, this is a tricky one. You may have to do some trading. Pause the video and give it a go. Okay, I know I need 60. So if I start with 60 and I make it 4 tall, I have these 2 left over. I can't add them here because that would be 6 tall, but it's only 4 tall. And I can't add them here because I have a gap. And I can't do this because that's only 3 tall. So what do I do? Remember I gave you a hint that you would need to trade something. So I'm going to take these 10s and trade them for 1s. Then I can break them up into smaller pieces. So that was 20. Here's 10 ones and 20 ones. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting them into my height of 4. Make sure I had them right. That's 4, 8, 9, 10. Nope, I think I might have 1 too many. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nope, I have it right. So as I build this, all my ones, I might have to scoot over. It's getting pretty long. I still want to be 4 high and still make sure I have 60 in the middle. That 60 units create the whole thing. Look at that. It is 4 high. There are 10, 20, 30, 40, 48, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So I still have 60 in the middle. So what is the missing length? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The missing length is 15. How do I write this as a multiplication and division problem? 4 by 15 or 4 times 15 is 60, and 60 divided into 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, has 15 in each group.